Hi! In front of me is Redmi Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on About Tablet section right away. Then click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, pumpkin. When you're done, you can discard your new name by hitting X at the top left corner, or save it by selecting checkmark at the top right one. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!